The latest news coming in is that Israel has unilaterally withdrawn from the peace ceasefire talks conducted with Hamas, which were held under the mediation of countries like the United States, Qatar, and Egypt. Israel's justification for this withdrawal is that Hamas is not cooperating with the discussions. However, Hamas has outright rejected this claim, stating that they are fully committed to moving forward with the talks and achieving a peaceful resolution as proposed by the mediating countries. They assert that Israel's claim of their withdrawal is entirely false. What is happening here is that the Israeli government, backed by extremist Zionist groups, is facing a critical situation where it is on the verge of collapse. Without the support of these extremist groups, the Israeli parliament and cabinet cannot move forward. The current state of affairs has made it impossible to pass peace initiatives proposed by the United States. Prime Minister Netanyahu finds himself completely isolated in his cabinet, as extremist Zionists like Ben-Gvir and Smotrich are unwilling to cooperate with peace talks. These extremist groups are demanding that the peace talks be immediately cancelled. If this situation continues, it will lead to the abandonment of the peace process. Extremist Zionists argue that negotiating and resolving issues with Hamas would be a disgrace for Israel. They claim that any such agreement would be a historical humiliation for Israel and strongly oppose moving forward with the deal. According to them, engaging in negotiations or implementing prisoner releases related to Hamas would bring shame to Israel on the global stage. The unilateral withdrawal by Israel from the peace talks initially proposed by Trump is expected to strain relations between Israel and the United States. Trump's intention was to have the ceasefire implemented before the upcoming Monday when he is set to take charge. However, the latest reports indicate that Israel has unilaterally backed out of the ceasefire process. For more international news, subscribe to this channel.